Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm in the area which is sell all kind of clothes for the window, for the coats, for the how to say, for the jeans. It's a place, you know, in Guangzhou, and many of shop here opening and doing the wholesale business. And all of them are selling the Lexi. You know what they're selling here. Okay, different coats for the window. All right, different coats for the window. Okay, this is a really busy area. Many people working here for the transportation, for everything. And the cars here waiting for a business. And you can see a lot of people to make a living in this area. That's really amazing. Many cars. And I'm heading to a place where my friend is working here. And let's see. I don't know, I just, you know, sometimes just want to visit some old friends and see what they're doing here. You can see every shop here, they're opening the shop doing the clothing business. Alright, this one, and also this one. Anyhow, you know, every shop here they open doing the same business. I can see they're doing a little stuff, little decoration here. Alright, see. Okay. Bye bye. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Okay, he's my friend here. You know, we have doing business for about 2 years, and he's really great guy. Huh?
给他们视频吗？
不是，那个录点视频给他们看一下，录点视频给他们看一下。
妈妈
Look at what they're doing here. All kind of this stuff.
现在你自己搞
啊？
你自己看啊。
好的。All right, a different accessory. Look at this. So they have many style here, different color, different style. This kind of little things, really nice. Look at them. Man style. 请问你们一般几点下班？
啊？
我说你一般几点下班
6点半。
I'm asking him when they will off work today. Say it's about 6:30. They're getting off work and go home. And there's so many stuff here. He's doing mainly export business. We talked before, and he's telling me that COVID-19 affecting a lot on his business. But this is things he's doing. If you guys are interested on these things, just call me. I will help you to get them. Alright. A big one, a small one. A lot of them. Different style, different color. Small one, the big one. It look nice. And this also.
Kita makan.
Okay, this is shop here. He's doing wholesale business on this kind of stuff. And the boss is really nice. So any of you guys interested on these things, just leave me a message. Leave me a message. Look at how you get them. Okay? It's really busy at this moment. So making the order. Okay. Alright, so this place, you know, everywhere selling the clothing, the window clothes. You can see that. The whole area, many shops here is selling these. Oh my god. So you walk into this shop. Wow, beautiful. It's really beautiful. Look at them. Okay. Wow. Different kind of clothes are different kind of design, color, everything. So look at them. It is really great. 哎，老板你好。
干嘛？
哦，没有没有，拍点视频给客户看一下，我做出口的。So look at them, really nice. All kind of design, all kind of clothes for the window. So it's so nice, so nice. If you are in this business, this place is definitely a good place for your sourcing here. Very good. Look at them. The whole area, thousands of shops doing this business. That is really wonderful. So look at them. It's really great. You can buy different color, different clothes, different blanket here. Okay. Different design, different pattern. Hey, 老板你好。You got a sample here, and you can select the sample you want. The pillows. Alright. 这生意好不好？
都是我们主要是做一些外贸跟一些设计工程
啊，
还有就是一些就是批发性质
啊。Boss saying he's mainly doing the wholesale business. It's mainly for the project and for the export. 好不急就到处逛一下。因为现在客户不能过来吧，我就
哪里的？
中东。
中东啊，我们很多跟那边啊，中东跟那个印度啊那些。
He's saying, boss saying, the main business, his market is in the Middle East and India, and they're doing great, but clients cannot come to China, so have no idea. And they got the new style here. Alright, so they got a category, a new style, new pattern, and they say the clothes is really good, high class, and saying it's good quality.
色彩的话有
different color.
那它
Wow, that's really wonderful.
不同的一个效果演化。
They're saying that they got different effects and they got a sample here. You could have a look at them. The color and the patterns.
然后沙发布、窗帘布。
They got the blanket, the clothes for furniture and for the window and for any kind of stuff like this. And you can see the effect picture.
这些
That looked really good.
它都是像那个窗帘、单椅呀。
Yeah, you can see the sample here.
挂画我们也是有，
Alright,
地毯那些有，
that's look beautiful.
有不同的设施。
They got different design and they got the project they
都
did
是那种
before.
比较现代，然后
And
文艺的
it's like a big affection and modern. And they got another sample. What that look
这
like?
种就是灰
Look at
系
them.
灰调。
Yeah, this is the effect photo there. You look at it. You look at the pillow. Look at the pillow here, and you can see the sample here.
直接布
Alright.
是很好，克重啊这些各方面。
You know, when I touch the curtain here, it feel great. Feel really great.
我们这种产品的话，跟国际上任何一个很知名的大品牌比都不会差。
He's saying that their product is could compare with the big brand in the international brand, and saying that they're doing good stuff. They really care about the quality.
有不同的一些颜色，是不是？
Yeah, you can see the design there. Alright, I can see the cloth here, and you can see the sample there. Look at them. That is really wonderful.
但这就是一些大地色系。这些
Yeah, look at them. Good. That look really good. The blanket. Perfect.
这是当中的一个主题嘛，还有很多。
And they got many sample here, and I'm getting his connection. So if you guys, any of you guys interested on this business, I will help you get the product here.
这个是
Alright.
跟那个意大利的一个很知名的一个设计师合作的一个。
They're saying
有版权。
they got the cooperation with a very well-known designer in Italy, and you can see the sample here.
这种风格的话，它就是那种 Art Deco 的一点的那种，比较非常就是走一些抽象型，非常现代的一些。
So you look at the design here.
这些在全球都是有版权。
That look good. That's really wonderful. Yeah, that's beautiful.
色彩也是比较，就是比较前卫。蓝色调就行。包沙发就包枕啊，做些墙布啊，都是 OK。
你给我个名片吧，好吧？
现在都很少用名片，要么
加个微信，加个微信。
微信这些我们都有，
好的，好的，
都有catalog。
好的。Okay, I'm getting the boss connection. So if you guys really interesting in this business, just call me.
今年有很多一些客户。
我扫一下你。
好的。
很多客户干啥？
有很多客户他过不来的话，就是我们有这样的一个服务，就是他提供他家的一些，一些就是我们可以根据他的需求，来帮他搭配做一些就是远装类似远装方案的。
The boss saying here, because of the COVID-19, you guys cannot come here, but the boss they got a really good service. They said You send her the pictures or send her the design you want, they could do the design for you. So they got really good service. So I think this is really good. And yeah, this is a station here. You know, you can see any sample here. And I think this guy is doing great business, and it's good attitude. And yeah, he got brand pillow and the cushion for the bag something, and they're doing really great business. 好了，帮我先走，谢谢啊，谢谢啊。All right, just work around and see other shop. Okay, that's really good. And really thank you for the boss to introduce me so many things. Alright. You can see everywhere it's busy, cars running. Oh my god. So busy everywhere. Look at them. Look at them. Wow, so nice. So nice. Look at this. Amazing. Really amazing. The pillows and the cushions.